Mason. Here, Alex, look. I guess Addison's a tomboy. I guess she doesn't have a choice with two brothers. She wants a dump truck. That's fun, huh? Say thank you so much for our presents. Whoop, whoop. Oh boy, these boys are going to keep me busy. Oh, and that's funny. What's that? What's that? What nice toys you guys got. Oh! What happened? Oh. Is that funny? Woo! What's that? Look, Mason, watch. Here it comes. Addison, look. Watch. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Look. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah. Where is he? There he is. Where is he? There he is. Oh, she likes it. Oh! Who knocks it over? Whoop! Look, ready? Addison, watch. Peekaboo. Ready? Watch. Peekaboo. Whoop! My mommy knocked it over. Peekaboo. 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 You like that, huh? That's a fun toy. Look, Mason. Here comes the dump truck. Pew, 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 pew. You sharing with your sister? You're so nice. Look, Alex. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Whoop! What happened? Choo-choo. Everybody loves their toys. We're having so much fun. You guys are so lucky. Say thank you. We'll see you later. Merry Christmas.